So now we are in client doesn't know anything application. Alexa that can write. I'm opening for that. See, for example, we need to check for the, for example, Google. We are checking for the Google. Okay. See, for example, we need to open any site. So, for example, facebook.com, you can write. Means we'll see that this traffic for this application. See, now we can observe rank ways. Also we need to see for the rank ways and the site percentage of such traffic, and see using this Facebook also going that YouTube also they are using for the YouTube, Instagram. Means it go to the in Facebook too, they are going to for the this same thing you can observe here. Facebook search will be 2.57 and YouTube 0.53, Facebook login 0.7, so Amazon 0.36. So rank C, Google is a relevance the site, search policy 67, 77, and Tesla. See traffic, LinkedIn is a 25%, YouTube is a 99%. We'll see for the social ways, means social. It is also. So using this, we need to find the our site see engagements, daily time on site. Every day is at 17.44 hours. It is showing bounce rate and traffic source. Search is a 12%. So visited is just before site flow. Total site linking is a say how much this is a 11 course. Uh, 6 lakhs 3,267 visitors. So you can enter any URL and you need to search for that particular URL. What is the traffic of the application? When we don't have any application not in production, using the, for example, we are ICICI Bank is a new application. So we are doing for the, we don't know for the non-functional requirements. Okay. Then what we can do using for the HDFC Bank already is there. Using that HDFC Bank, we need to find our non-functional requirements. That is a commutator. We can call it as a commutator.
SSK is this. SSK is there.
Screen, you are not able to see?
Sir, HDFC last K.
Now we can see this traffic. See home loans is 39% searching. EMI calculator will be also we are using for that 31%. LIC housing loan 21%. HDFC.com 19.7%. So averaging means this site competitor average 922, total average 922. So home line calculator. So this is a graphical oriented, how the rank, Alexa rank 90 days trend. This is the, means 90 days graph. Rank base, it is a 13 rank, HDFC credit card payment, personal loan 73, car loan 74. And this is the keywords for the gaps, personal loan. Organization optimization, social engagements. So this is the searching, means how much percentage they are searching. Majorly, maximum people are searching for the EMI calculator. This is taking for the 77.8%. So we can call it as a, this is also one of the CBT, because of everyone is coming and everyone calculate for the EMI calculator in our HDFC application. So same thing we can consider as a, in ICICI Bank also, our commutator using that HDFC commutator, we can call it as a EMI is our CBT. And business, Bajaj Finance, it is searching home loan section 58% is more than 40%, means we can call it as a, means it is load will be high. So we can call it as a, these are all will be high load. So we can call it as these are all our CBTs, critical condition. Site flow, Google means through Google they are searching for the 59.8%. So everyone is coming to the Google search in hdfc.com. Through direct HDFC Bank, directly www.hdfc Bank, 41%. So through WhatsApp, means WhatsApp also using that, also they are using for the 1.7. YouTube. So based on that, we need to understand the what are our CBTs, what is our response time. So we need to understand from the using for the internet traffic monitoring utilities. You can call it as a alexa.com. You can search any site, it will come for the those details for here. Got it? This is the second case. Going to the third case, client doesn't know application and application not in production and no competitor. Means this time we don't have, we can search in alexa.com for that site. It is not there any details also. So then what is our approach? So what we can do means we can understand the core business of the application and convert to the core business to online business by converting, identify how many number of users, number of transactions, what is CBTs, from which reasons they are accessing the application, and conduct the baseline test and derive SLAs and some how many number of customers we need to see. For example, for this situation, client doesn't know anything, means client doesn't know, means he don't know anything for this application, and application not in production, means using for the site technical tool we need to find the non-functional requirements. We don't have application not in production. and no competitor means using for the alexa.com also we don't get for the any details. So at that time what we can do means we need to convert to their traditional business will be there, means for example one restaurant will be opened just now, so they don't have any production will be not there in that application, but all our users will coming to the restaurant and everyone coming to the, so we need to ask from there, so there we need to that core business means that core business we convert to the online business means like that how many number of customers do you have core business means, and how many numbers coming to the daily for your restaurant. Okay, so then they told us a 1.3 million customers, how many number of them going to register online services means in that 1.3 millions how many they are registered, we are asking for them questions for directly from them, who is our customer, like is a restaurant guy, we are asking for the how many number of them going to register for online services, they told as a 10%, and how many number of their active users for in that how many number of active 10%, and how many number of the daily users 30% of the daily users, what are the peak hours, what are the off peak hours, the mostly restaurants means evening time sorry afternoon and night time will be peak hours, so we need to ask them and we need to gather from the non-functional requirement from the using this when we are convert our traditional business core business to online business. For example, see how we can means I will show you for one calculator thing, then we can understand for this also. For example, we can one new restaurant open one person, and they have website will be there, but that is not in production. Then everyone is coming to directly, and they are doing for the their transactions. Like everyone coming and order the biryani and what are the things they will coming, but they have website. In that website, we can ask for the customer how many customers have core business means daily how many users coming, so they told as a for example 1 lakh 13 lakhs users will be coming in directly core business, how many of them are going to registered online, in that to 13 lakhs how many they are registered means, so we can tell they told as a 10% means by 100. So means 1,30,000 users will be online services using. How many number of active? In that 1,30,000, all are not active, right? Every time. So just only 10% only active. Then we can calculate for the 10% divided by 100. So equal to 13,000. So then how many number of daily users? In that 13,000 users, how many they are in daily users? Only 30% of the only daily users. 30 divided by 100. So daily users will be 3,900 users. So based on that, we are gathered from the, so total users will be every day 3,900 users will be accessing your application. So we need to test with the this many type of users, and what is our peak hours, what is our peak hours, we need to ask them and we need to get them. Understand?
Sir.
Yeah, so for today tomorrow just this will be some theory part will be there, then after once we can enter our tool, then that will be is very easy, but these are our each and every point will be interview point. Okay, so
Okay.
today I am stopping up to here, up to where non-functional requirements. So tomorrow we'll start with the test plan and up to this risk and mitigations. So today interview questions I need to ask for everyone for tomorrow class. What is perform testing? and we have how many tools in market, and what are the components load runner, what are there, and load runner architecture, and PT life cycle, what is the PT life cycle, and what is POC, what is non-functional requirements. In that non-functional requirements, what is a cases client doesn't know anything application. Up to that, I can ask for the interview questions also tomorrow once we enter the class. Then once that is completed, then we'll start with the test plan. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
You're fine.
Yeah, anyone have any doubts?
Can you share it, Sriram? This one has two mails.
Yeah,
This
for
file.
this
PPT
document.
Yeah, this document.
Yeah, document I will share for here only. Everyone download now only.
Yeah.
How to download? I don't know exactly from.
No, you can go to the chart. Chart I will share for that chart. You can open.
Okay, in that chat you can share me.
I'm sharing for the in chart only. Everyone download now only itself.
Okay. So after that, this recording video also you can share it in a mail link.
Yeah, I will share mail.
Better you can daily you can record it and you can share
Yeah,
it.
sure. We can record, no problem.
Okay.
We can record. If anyone miss also, it will useful, right?
Yeah. Yesterday I not
Yeah,
unable to
yesterday I'm
know.
not
So,
told
Yesterday
for
you did not record it.
course. So today only we have started for course. Yesterday just end-to-end testing process. So just I show for the up to record the script and execution, and after that just analyze the results. Then today only we have started for the starting course.
okay. Okay.
So check. I sent. Just check everyone able to download it.
No.